right here is another proof point of how we will do that. This very EV6 just set a new Guinness World Record for the shortest charging time to cross America, beating the previous 12.5-hour record held by Tesla by more than 5 hours. Its 2,800-mile journey took just over 7 hours of charging, physical proof of our desire to make EVs not just an alternative choice, but the best choice for consumers. It's just another example of how living with a Kia EV will not only be fun, but will also be easy and stress-free. And with more time and space to bring your ideas to life, the EV6 provides exactly the kind of movement that inspires. The all-new Sportage comes in Q1 next year, and with this HEV, as well as the stylish SX and rugged Sportage X Pro, we're going to capture more of this important segment, just like we've done with Telluride, Sorento, and the Carnival MPV. With the Concept EV9 showing you where we are going, the all-electric EV6 showing you what's next, you can expect interest in Kia and our sales to continue to climb, along with our record-breaking growth in the U.S. Thank you all for your time today.
James